Let's be honest, finding a mechanical keyboard that actually feels good without costing a ton isn't easy. That's where the Epomaker Galaxy100 Lite comes in. In this video, we take a closer look at its design, features, and overall typing feel to see if it really delivers that premium experience at a more affordable price. We'll talk about what works, what stands out, and whether it's worth considering for your setup. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the aesthetics and construction of the Galaxy100 Lite. Epomaker has opted for a compact 100-key layout, which is essentially a 96% form factor. This means you get almost all the functionality of a full-sized keyboard, including a dedicated numpad, but in a much more desk-friendly footprint. The case is made of CNC aluminum alloy, available in attractive white and black/grey colorways, each complemented by unique gradient keycaps, so we can say the overall build is solid and doesn't feel cheap. Another notable design element is the clickable rotary knob, positioned in the top right corner, which is incredibly handy for volume control and other media functions. Now, let's talk about how it actually feels to type on. The Galaxy100 Lite uses a gasket mount structure, which is something you usually see on higher-end custom keyboards. In everyday use, this translates to a softer, slightly cushioned typing feel that's easier on the fingers during long sessions. The PCB is also hot swappable, so you can change switches without soldering. That's a big plus if you like experimenting or upgrading later on. Moreover, the keyboard also features a fixed typing angle of 7 degrees, which many users find ergonomic for extended use. Further, the keyboard comes with factory-lubed linear switch options, including the Wisteria Linear V2 with a 45-gram force actuation force, and the lighter marble white at 42-gram force. Both feel smooth and consistent, making them well suited for both typing and casual gaming. Sound-wise, the Galaxy100 Lite is nicely tuned right out of the box. Thanks to the gasket mount, pre-lubed switches, and PBT die-sub keycaps, the overall sound stays controlled and balanced. Keystrokes come across as deep and muted, often described as thocky, without noticeable pinging or distracting stabilizer rattle. It's the kind of sound profile that feels pleasant rather than loud, especially in shared or quiet spaces. Here's a sound test to give you a better idea of how it actually feels and sounds during everyday use. Moving on to connectivity and features, the Galaxy100 Lite is incredibly versatile. It offers tri-mode connectivity, allowing seamless transitions whether you're at your desk or on the go. A physical switch on the back makes switching between modes effortless, and the keyboard's wireless performance ensures you won't be constantly reaching for the charging cable. The keyboard also comes with a comprehensive accessory package, which is a thoughtful addition. For those who like to fine-tune their setup, it supports VIA, allowing for easy and extensive keymap customization. Beyond its hardware, the Galaxy100 Lite truly empowers users with its QMK and VIA compatibility. This open-source firmware allows for unparalleled customization, enabling you to remap keys, create intricate macros, and fine-tune every aspect of your typing experience. This level of software flexibility ensures that the keyboard can adapt to any workflow, making it a powerful tool for both casual users and advanced enthusiasts seeking personalized control over their peripherals. So what's the final verdict on the Epomaker Galaxy100 Lite? Simply put, it delivers more than you'd expect for the price. The typing feel is comfortable, the features are well thought out, and it offers plenty of room for customization. While it may not be perfect for everyone, the overall experience is easy to enjoy. If you're looking for a well-rounded mechanical keyboard that feels good to use and offers strong value, the Galaxy100 Lite is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us what you think. Stay tuned for more content like this.